Today in crypto. Finland's customs department, Tulli, has decided to sell nearly 2,000 bitcoins valued at around $76 million. The bitcoin stash was seized by local authorities in 2016 in connection to Darknet drug trafficking investigations. 4 years after, the seized asset is now worth more than 100 times. Although Tulli had plans to sell the bitcoins in 2018, authorities were worried that the Bitcoin would find its way back into criminal hands. Whilst this is still a possibility, the agency has finally reached a decision to discard the digital assets. Speaking on the recent development, Equos, Tulli CFO, noted that the department would either use an intermediary or sell the Bitcoin itself. He said in a statement, "On behalf of the Customs Act, we had the option of handing them over to another government agency or some other party and destroying them. We came to the conclusion that alternatives other than sales are not realistic." It is also worth stating that the department had not revealed the amount of Bitcoin it will be selling. However, the proceeds from the sales will be sent to Finland's Ministry of Finance. Less than a month ago, Bitcoin influencer, Pierre Rochard, appealed to U.S. lawmakers to prevent the sale of seized bitcoins valued at around $1.6 billion. The price of Bitcoin was only $23,000 then. With Bitcoin blasting past $40,000, the seized Bitcoin would be worth over $2.7 billion today. The exponential growth of the decentralized finance sector increased activity on the Ethereum blockchain, and this has resulted in slow transaction times and incredibly high fees. In the last month, Ether (ETH) price has also rallied more than 100%, and gas fees are on the rise again as demand for ETH and a resurgence in the DeFi sector accelerates. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. On Thursday, Mark Zuckerberg took to Facebook, Nasdaq FB, to announce the end of Trump's reign. On the platform anyway. Yesterday's rally on Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. turned into a storm of the Capitol itself by Trump supporters following a speech in which the president said "We will never concede." Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Equos, a Singapore-based digital currency exchange operated by Diginex, has announced the launch of a new Bitcoin, BTC, futures product without any settlement dates, marking a substantial leap in the BTC derivatives market. The firm introduced the BTC Perpetual Futures Contract on Thursday, a product it says is well suited to the current trading environment. The Perpetual Contract is geared toward professional traders with various risk profiles, with prices and liquidity provided by independent market makers. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Grayscale's newly appointed CEO Michael Sonnenschein told Bloomberg Thursday that pension funds and endowments are investing actively into the Grayscale family of funds. He explained, continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.